Hello, 11th class IC students. Let us move on to our next segment of our drama class, Act 1, Scene 2. In the last meet, we have seen how Ariel, a delicate spirit, is all the time attentive of Prospero's commands. And according to his order and instruction, he had created great disturbance and terror in the form of fire to the ship of Alonso and his group and other sailors. And now let us proceed from 261st line by Prospero's words, when Ariel says that despite the storm, not a single hair is damaged of any of the passengers. So Prospero says, the means when he says of the king's ship, the mariners say how thou hast disposed and all the rest of the fleet. So Prospero is saying, tell me about the king's ship. King's ship means Alonso's ship and mariners and his sailors, and say how thou hast disposed, and now tell me how you have dealt with and all the rest of the fleet. How you have dealt with the king's ship, his sailors, and the rest of the ships. Then Ariel says, safely in harbour is the king's ship, in the deep nook where once thou callest me at midnight to fetch dew from the still vexed Bermudes, and there she is hid. So Ariel says that king's ship is safe in the harbour. Is the king's ship safely in harbour means the king's ship is safe in the harbour, in the deep nook, in the corner deep of the bay. The deep corner of the bay, where once thou callest me at midnight. Where once you called me at midnight to fetch dew, to bring dew associated with your magic from the still vexed Bermudes. From the Bermudes is the Bermudas. The name of the modern name is Bermudas, the name of the group of island. So you told me to bring dew for your magic from the Bermuda, where all the time there is storm. And there she is hid, there the ship of Alonso is hidden. The mariners all under hatches stowed. The mariners, the sailors, are below the deck of the ship, are all under hatches below the deck of the ship and stowed. They are fastened with the rope. Who with a charm joined to their suffered labor, I have left asleep. And who, because of the magic, the sailors, because of my, where they are under the spell of my magic, and also as they have done the hard labor to protect themselves, so I have left asleep, I have made them in fast asleep. And for the rest of the fleet which I dispersed, and rest of the fleet, rest of the ships, I have separated them. They all have met again. Now they all have, to whom I have separated, they all have met again and are upon the Mediterranean float, and they are now floating on the Mediterranean Sea. Bound sadly home for Naples. They are going sadly back home for Naples. Supposing that they saw the king's shipwrecked, as they are under the impression that the king's ship is destroyed. They are going with this thought that the king's ship is destroyed and his great person perished, and their great king is now dead and no more. Then Prospero, Ariel, thy charge exactly is performed, but there is more work. What is the time of the day? So Prospero says, Ariel, really your task is performed nicely, but there is more work. There's some more work you have to do. What is the time now of the day? Then Ariel says, past the mid-season. It is past the midday. Then Prospero, at least 2 glasses, the time between 6 and now, means at least 2 hours past midday, means it is 2 o'clock. Between 6 and now, means between 6 and 12 o'clock, The 2 hours had passed means it is 2 o'clock. Must by us both be spent more preciously. We must spend these hours very carefully. Very carefully. Then Ariel says, is there more toil? So Ariel now asks, is there more work to do for me? Since thou dost give me pains, since you give me hard tasks, let me remember. Let me remember means let me remind you what thou hast promised, what you have promised earlier, which is not yet performed, which is not yet fulfilled. So Prospero says, how now, Moody? What do you mean, you sulky spirit? What is thou canst demand? What is that demand that is not fulfilled? Then Ariel says, my liberty, my freedom. Then Prospero says, before the time be out, no more. Before the term of service is ended, before the term of your service is ended, you will not be free. Then Ariel says, I pray thee, remember I have done thee worthy service, told thee no lies, made thee no mistakings, served without or grudge or grumblings. Thou didst promise to bait me a full year. So he says, I pray you, remember I have done thee worthy service. I have served you with all my heart. I have told you no lies, made thee no mistakings. I have never done any mistakes, whatever you have given me the work. Served without a grudge or grumblings means I have served you without showing my reluctance. Thou didst promised to bait me a full year. And you have promised that if you will be happy with my job, you will cut out a year of my service. Then Prospero, dost thou forget for what a torment I did free thee? So Prospero says, you have forgotten, Ariel, from what torture I have made you free. Then Ariel says, no, I have not forgotten. Then Prospero, thou dost. No, I think you have forgotten, and think it much to tread the ooze of the salt deep, to run upon the sharp wind of the north, to do me business in the veins of the earth, on the earth when it is baked with frost. So Prospero is saying, you are forgetting it, and you think it hard work. You think whatever work I give you, you think it hard work to tread the ooze, to walk at the bottom of the sea, of the salt deep, to run upon the sharp wind of the north, to sail on the cold wind of the north, to do me business in the veins of the earth, to work in the interiors of the earth when it is totally crushed with frost. You think that these are the hard work. So Ariel says, I do not, sir. No, sir. I do not mean this. Prospero, thou liest. You are lying. Malignant thing, malicious thing. Hast thou forgot the foul witch Sycorax, who with age and envy was grown into a hoop? Hast thou forgotten her? So he says, no, have you forgotten the foul witch Sycorax, the evil-minded witch Sycorax, who with the old age and the evil intentions, the ill will, was grown into a hoop, were doubled with old age. She had a hoop. Have you forgotten her? Then Ariel says, no, sir, I have not forgotten. Thou hast. Where was she born? Speak, tell me. Then Prospero says, no, you have forgotten. Now tell me, where was she born? Tell me. Then Ariel says, sir, in Algiers. So he says, now the present name is Algiers. So he says in Algiers. Then Prospero, oh, was she so? Yes, is that so? I must once in a month recount what thou hast been. Once in a month, I have to repeat to you what you have been earlier, which thou forgets, which you forget all the time. This damned witch Sycorax, the witch Sycorax, for mischiefs manifold and sorceries terrible, to enter human hearings from Argier. This damned Sycorax was banished from Algiers for crime. She was banished from Algiers for manifold crime and sorceries, for the magical practice or the black magic. To enter human hearing, which are too terrible to relate to the human ears. Means we cannot make them, the human beings, to hear about her crime. Thou knowest was banished, and she was banished from there. For one thing she did, they would not take her life. But only in her life, one thing she did, for which the people could not take her life, because at that time she was having a baby in her womb. Is not this true, Ariel? Is this not true, Ariel? So today till here, children. In the next meet, we will go further. Thank you.